Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the HDMI cable for the PS3. First, you need your PS3 and you need an HDMI cable. We're going to demonstrate using the original model of PlayStation 3, but it also works for the newer slim models as well. Turn your PlayStation 3 around and you'll find the HDMI slot located next to the left of the LAN port as shown. Grab your HDMI cable and insert it to the HDMI slot. Locate the HDMI slot on the back of your TV, then grab the other end of an HDMI cable and insert it into your TV's HDMI port. Once that's done, you're going to want to turn on your PlayStation 3. Your TV and PlayStation 3 should detect the HDMI cable once both are turned on. You will receive an HDMI notification on startup. After you press yes, depending on your television, the PlayStation 3 should change its settings according to your TV's highest resolution.